Having to be a 2-part video because I have to watch at the end of the Super Bowl and the camera died on me. So it's either that or I do a lot of editing. Actually, I'm gonna change the channel to my channel and then change it back to yours next time. Yeah. So either, like I was saying, it's either that or I do a lot of editing tomorrow. So let's. Oh no, I forgot where it was supposed to be at. Where it was supposed to be at? Oh no, I can't. What's the recipe? Wait. 375 and then bake for 10 to 12 minutes. 375. This is 375. Didn't I was talking about I should have preheated the oven a while ago? I'm starting to regret that, not preheating the oven. Timer sitting for 10 minutes, please. Maybe I'll do that too. I'm gonna plug you in my room, and then I'm gonna. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Move. Oh no. No, taking out the cookies. These are really hot.
Oh, it's already.
Yeah. They don't look half bad. I think I did good. I'm letting this video here, and I'm just gonna keep on making videos for the week and not cooking videos with this video, you know, because I need to pre-record a lot of videos and you guys can see me, but we just found out that the Eagles have won. So yeah, I'm gonna pre-record a whole bunch of videos for the week and then hope for the best. So see you guys next time. Bye.